Okay. So, good afternoon, students. Today we will do the grammar portion, report writing. Okay. Report writing. Now, I guess you all know what is a report. Okay. A report is written by a journalist, right? No, it is not like that. We can also write a report. A teacher can write a report. A student can write a report for his or her magazine. Okay. So, today we will do the report writing. Okay. Sorry. Report writing. Okay. Now suppose there is a blood donation camp at TCS. Okay. By staff correspondent for the magazine or for the newspaper, the Times of India. Okay. The question will be given like that. Okay. First, there should be heading. Okay. A blood donation camp. Like for example, blood donation camp. Blood donation camp. Okay. You can also write blood donation camp at TCS. At TCS. Or with whatever organization it is given there. You can write it, but it is not compulsory. Heading should be short and crisp. Okay. So, blood donation camp at TCS. It should be in the middle alignment. Okay. It should be in the middle alignment like this. So, okay. Understood? It is called as the heading. It is the heading. Now after that, and one more thing you can do, just highlight it like this. Okay. Underline. Give underline. Highlight it like this. And next, what you can do? By whom it has been given. Okay. By whom it has been given. Like for example, there should be a name given in the question or the post and the organization. For example, if there is no name, then you can simply write the post and the organization. If there is no name, no post, you can write anything on the post and the name. Suppose there is a post, like you can say by staff correspondent. You will leave one line here. Okay. So the red line, the double line indicates that you will leave one line. Then you will write down by staff correspondent and the name of the organization, the Times of India. Right? This should also be in the middle alignment. Okay. Then how will you start the writing the report? Few main things I will tell you before writing this report. A report should be in a past tense. Okay, remember. it should be in the past tense. Okay. Number second point, you will use passive voice. You will use passive voice. You will not use active voice. Okay. Number two, I and me. The first person shouldn't be in the sentence while you are writing the report. Okay. So these are the three main things that you should note. It should be in the past tense. Number two, passive voice, and you should not be using the first person like I and me. Okay. Understood? Okay. So this is the heading, and this is, you can say, the issued authority. Okay. Who is issuing it, by whom it has been issued, like by staff correspondent. If there is some name given, then you will add a name also by, for example, Arun, Shubham, anything you want. Okay. Then how will you start? Next, suppose blood donation camp at TCS in Uttar Pradesh, in Mumbai, in wherever it is. Okay. Suppose in the question Uttar Pradesh is given. Then again, after that, by staff correspondent, we will leave one line again and start writing here. First you will write the place. Okay. The place. Like for example, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Then the date of the report. On which date you are writing the report. Like for example, today's date is 21st February 21st February 2023. I'm sorry again. Okay, 21st February 2023. Then we will start writing the report. Like for example, a blood donation camp. Okay, a blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society, or you can write some other society name also. Red Cross Society, so and so. Okay. So what is the main thing here? The first is place. Okay. You will not underline it. Okay. I'm just showing you. First, place will come. Then the date, the full date. You will not write short abbreviation. Like you will not write Feb. You will not write Jan. You will write the whole month in words. February, January, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay. Understood? Then you will write the date. Date. Okay. Then you will start writing the introductory paragraph. Okay. A blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society or whatever society you want to write. On which date? Okay. On, for example, let's say you can take 1 or 2 days before. Okay. Like for example, it is 19th. Let's take 19th February 2023. Okay. We can also mention the time at 5 p.m. or wait a minute. You can write down. Okay, from 10 a.m. you can write down from 10 a.m. to 3 to 4 or whatever you like, and whatever mentioned in the question paper. Okay, at TCS. Okay, at TCS. Then you start continuing the introductory paragraph. Then again you will leave one line after writing your introductory paragraph. Okay, you will leave one line. Then you will write the details. A team of 5 doctors like this. Okay. A team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses, whatever details you need to mention in the report. Okay. Understood? Then the concluding paragraph. Okay. Then the concluding paragraph, you will again leave one line. Okay. You will write the report. How will you write the report? Like you will paragraph it. Paragraphing. Paragraphing is very important in report writing. You will not write in points. Okay. So paragraph is very important. Like you should be writing a report in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Minimum 3 paragraphs and maximum up to the word limits. For example, we have a word limit of 120 to 150 words. Okay. So we can write our report in 3 paragraphs, in 3 or 4 paragraphs, right? First the introductory paragraph, then the basic details like a team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Okay, you can also mention some imaginary doctor names, like for example Dr. Akash, Dr. Vijay, or whatever you want to write. Okay, then you will end this report. You can write down as the end of the event. You can start like this. Okay, as the end of the event, you can start like this. As the end of the event was approaching, there was sense of satisfaction. You can end like this. Then your report is completed. Okay. You will remember the few points here. Like for example, the heading is important. This is not the heading. Okay. Don't confuse it. Report writing. This is not the heading. Okay. What's the main heading? The heading is this: blood donation camp at TCS. Okay. Or you can simply write down blood donation camp. That's it. Okay. Then you will write down the name by whom the report has been written. Okay. By staff correspondent, or you can also write the position of the report, the post of the report, sorry. The staff correspondent and the organization name, the Times of India. It is the newspaper, magazine also. You can write a report for the magazines also. Okay. And a student can write a report for the newsletter also. Okay. Magazines. Okay, our school magazines, etc. For example, by Arun, head boy, 12th A, like this, you can write down. If you're writing for the school magazine, okay. And what will be the place? Place will be the state. For example, Uttar Pradesh, the school is in Uttar Pradesh, the school is in Mumbai, okay. And on which date you are writing the report? Okay, the date is important. Number first is here. You will write down the place, then comma is important, then the date, the current date. Okay, the current date of writing the report. Like I am writing this report today, so today's date is 21st of February 2023. Then you will start writing the report. A blood donation camp was organized by the Red Cross Road. Okay, Red Cross Society, sorry. And on which date? you can write down, you can mention the date on 19th February 2023. 2 days or 3 days prior to the report writing, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We can write down the specific details at TCS, and then you will write the introductory paragraph. Then you will leave one line and write down some basic details like a team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present there. Dr. Akash gave a formative speech, okay, on the importance of blood donation. Like this, you can write down, okay. And when you will complete the basic paragraph and then you will end it, then again you will leave one line and write the concluding paragraph. As the end of the event was approaching, there was sense of satisfaction, okay. 257 units of blood was collected. Like this, you can write down and you will end your report. That's it, okay. And few points to remember, and the few points are it, okay. It should be in the past tense, right? It should be in the past tense. Your report should be in the past tense, and you will use passive voice. You will use passive voice. Active voice, no active voice. Okay. I and me. You will not use I and me in the report writing. Strictly prohibited. Okay. I and me. You will not use I and me. And you will not use any short abbreviation, like for example, Feb, Jan. Okay. You will not use and like this. You will write and like this. Full. Okay. Understood? You will not use abbreviations. Okay. So this is the report writing. Okay. Now your report writing is completed. Now we will end this session here. Thank you.